So here we are at my attempt at an unboxing video. I received a package. I think I know what it is. This is the 10th time this has happened in my life, but it still feels exciting like the first time. So these packages that were on my porch today look like this. And this one's super heavy, like this. And so we're going to do a little unboxing here. My niece really likes unboxing videos, and I never really understood why they were so cool until you have something great to unbox. So hopefully you will all find these. Let me get them both unboxed here, and then maybe you will enjoy my joy with me. Oh my goodness, lots of tape here. Okay, let us take a look. Okay, we've got packaging. Let's get that out of there. And here we are inside the box. There it is. Hardcover print copies of Mia Moves Out. This is illustrated by Paige Kaiser. If you have not yet seen this book, Paige's illustrations are incredible. They tell at least half the story, and there's a lot of really fun hidden things to look for. So very happy to see that. Let's see, we've got this box. We've also got this box of copies, which means there'll probably be a giveaway soon. If you're a teacher, or if you're a parent or a reviewer, hey, now's the time to get your hands on Mia Moves Out. There's the spine. Oh, look at that cute back cover with little baby Brandon. Oh, there it is, guys, and that is your unboxing video. Mia Moves Out releases from Penguin Random House, Knopf Books for Young Readers on October 16th. 2018. That is coming up in just a couple weeks. Thank you for pre-ordering. That helps so that maybe I can have 10 more unboxing videos in my career, or even more. I appreciate all the support. Have a wonderful day. Thank goodness it's Friday. Good night.